Hey guys, welcome back once again to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and today's live trading video is on August 3rd. So many of you guys asked, sir, why are you not trading in equity? You're doing too much of futures. So I thought, why not? I will, as and when I do my futures also, I will do equity also. So if not, I'll do both also. So I just took position in this at 193.50 in PVR for August futures. I have invested around 33,000 in this. Rest 17,000 I have invested in Vedanta. So I have taken 1,500 stocks of Vedanta. As you know, this is equity cash around 20 times margin. This is around 30 times margin. So that's why if you see the quantity over here is more and the quantity over here is comparatively less. If 1 rupee goes up, if 1% goes up around 3,000, I get around up to 3,000. Here if 1% goes, I get up to 8,000 rupees. So little difference over there. And let's see, looking at the graph, it's already up for the day, these stocks, but looking for a breakthrough over here for PVR and VDL on the same case. It has just touched the high and come down. So but just waiting for a breakthrough after some time. Hope the market supports us. Market is already up, if you see, at 0.67%. So rest is left on the buyers if they can push this particular stock. And few things, where is that? Yeah, so what is the beta of the stock is 1.57, so it's pretty good. And over this, the beta is 1%. Okay, average. So let's wait and see for some time. If the stock goes above our direction, then definitely I will record the video for you guys and I will show you while exiting the stock. So if you see, the stock has gone more than 10 rupees, that is 14 rupees. That is more than 1% of our stock. Okay, so 12 rupees is 1% of the stock, right? 1200 is 12 rupees is 1% of the stock. So stock has gone up, but the highest is 1209. Not sure if it can break or if we need to exit right now, because normally, as I tell you, Friday is not a good day and I always exit 0.3%. But today I just took a risk and waited. So just seeing if it can break its own high, because it has come towards its own high over here. It's breaking that. It's broken that. Whereas this is here only to 22.39 is where we bought it. Is in 222.20. If you see, the fluctuations is very low in terms of equity, but it is more safe in as equity. So the profit and the loss will be little marginally slow and safe. In futures, your profit will go higher and loss also goes higher. So it's very dangerous. So it's a live comparison. But I've used here 33,000, I've used here 17,000. So this is double the amount used over here. Just took 2 lots for this, averaging it out. So let's see if it is out there. Yes, 2 lots, 400, 400. So this one will take time maybe, but for now let's concentrate on the futures and see if it can break its own high of 1209. If not, let's better exit. Considering today is Friday, I don't want to take risk again, right? So come on, 1207. Is it breaking? 1208, come on, you can do it. 1209, please break, move. It's moved a bit from here, selling out one lot. Anyways, we'll sell the second lot also. Finally 14,200. Okay, so 14,200 profit from 33,000 of capital, almost 40%, 40 to 45% of profit. Just looking into this equity now. Looking at the profit of futures, I'm not feeling like I have to wait for equity or make a big loss over there, or if it can recover up, at least the brokerage I can save. This is the only thing coming in my mind when I look into equity right now. But yes, I have put double the amount here. I have put only half the amount here. If I'm putting this money over here also, then definitely this can be averaged out. And you know, looking at the graph, it's pushing down. Looks like it's gonna hit the super trend of 3 minutes over here, but that will be a risk for us. If it can at least recover somewhere here, will be a great thing for us. If you see, so it's come to 30. Our buy price is also there, only 39. So if it can break that 50 and go up little bit of if you see a lot of resistance out there in 4, 5 and 50, and I think patience is something which will help me right now. I mean, anyways, we have entered into this trade. Let's see what's gonna happen. I will record the video once again. So if you see, Vedanta has come down from 222.39 to 220.95, right? Okay, so it would have hit the super trend of 3 minutes for now. Hoping so. Yes, it has hit the super trend. So yes, it can go up to 20 in RSI, and it can go below this MACD level, and then it has to come up a bit, level up. So I'm planning to average it out. Okay, so I bought at that price, and I have to buy at a lower price to average out the stock, right? So what I will do right now is, there are two options. One, the stock can go further down, or stock will go back, right? So but anyways, I'm fine with this price. So with all the money which we sold out the futures, with the profit, we will buy this one around 218 or 217. I'll keep, considering the fluctuation, and I think it didn't take, so let me add around 4,000 stocks. Will it take around 218 to 17? Will that take? No. So let me put around 3,000 stocks first. Around, let me put 217 here. No. Let me add around okay, am I not choosing cover order? That's the problem. Okay, if you see, Vedanta has come down from 222.39 to the lower level, so it can go further down. So what I'm planning to do is, I'm planning to average it out and see with 3,000 stocks. Let me try with 4,000 stocks first, cover order, or let me try with 3,000 stocks, 500. Let me say 217 is my stop loss for now. Let me see if it can take so much quantity. No, I think it's rejected. Okay, so let me say I'm buying 1,000, 2,000, okay, around 2,500 stock, cover order, and let me say 218. No, looks like there's some problem. Okay, so it's going with the limit order, right? No, don't tell me. Oh yeah, here it is. It says buy at 221. We had taken with a limit order, guys. So many days. I think the cover order was giving in market, right? I think the app has updated, I'm not sure. I never checked that. I used to always go with cover order with market. So is the stock gone that to that level to buy? Yes, I think it would have triggered. Yes, if you see, finally our stocks of 4,200 is being purchased. So now the average has come to 221.37. if you see, right, it was in 222.39, now it has come to 221.37. so if the stock at least goes above from here 60 paisa above this 221.37, that is when we can, you know, get that profit part. So that's how I averaged it out, considering the 3 minutes super trend was hit and the stock has come down, and considering after some time if it goes further down, and after some time the stock has to come up. So considering those conditions and looking at the RSI is already 34, so maximum it can go up to 20 around there, and once it goes back again and hit the super trend of 222 or 221, later it comes down. So that is where I can book my profit in this condition. So now I have put all my money in this particular trade right now. This is equity, guys. So let's see how is the stock movement. And market is in 0.65. I think market is already up and it's not pushing up. And okay, so once the stock moves up, I will definitely record the video for you guys. So if you see, we have finally sold Vedanta fully, right? So if you see, we had bought at 222.39 and then the stock fell down to 220 around, so 221. So we averaged it out with 221.39. so once we did average it out, the stock came up above 221.50 or something, which I guess I sold. Yes, see there, 221.5 initial 221.54, 1500 lot, 4200 I sold at 221.55 around 2 o'clock. So overall, anyways, the brokerage has been covered here. Both the trades brokerage will be covered in this 1,000 rupees. So anyways, 14,000 in hand. Anyways, as I told you, Fridays is not that good day for me. I always exit at 0.3, but I don't know why. I do certain crazy things on Friday only. I do a lot of things out of control. I took 2 trades, that is, one is NSE and one is futures also. But anyways, happy ending, and hope you guys also will have a great weekend. And please do hit that subscribe and like to this video. And yes, good news is coming soon, but not so soon, but within months you'll get the good news. So anyways, take care, have fun guys, bye bye.